So first we will define a vector. Let's say v is equal to, we use the given vector. Now we want to apply the formulation, so we use for loop, that is for from I is the index starting from 1 to length of v, the number of elements in the v vector minus 1. Here we have taken one place because we have fixed the first number, so we are comparing with the rest of the numbers, which is the length of v minus 1. Next we will type n to make the pair. For comparing with the remaining vectors, we will use a second loop, which is for j is equal to I plus 1 and up to the length of v, that is this second number, and so on. And when we get the first result, the next comparison will start from the third number, so it is I plus 1. Again we type AND for making pair with the for loop, and in this loop we will type conditional statement, which is if vi, mean the fixed number, is greater than the second number which we are using to compare, which is vj, because for other numbers we are using the j index. And if this happens, what we do, we swap it. For swapping, we first assign the vi value to some variable to use it later. Next, for swapping, we assign vi the value of vj, the second number, and the second number is replaced with the value of vi, which is stored above in t. We place suppressors as we don't want this outcome. Now we put AND for if conditional statement, and this is it for the formulation. Now we have to show the resulting vector, so we will use this command, and there must be some heading that the resulting vector in ascending order is as follow. And next we will write the variable v. Let's save it and execute it. So this is our required result. Next, there can be a little bit changes in this program. We can show the entered vector and the resulting vector, so it will be a little bit more informative. So for this, we will assign this vector to some other vector, say v original. This is equal to our given v, and the next process will be the same. And in the last, we will apply some more disp commands, that is disp the original vector disp v underscore original. Now let's see what will be the difference in the output. So this is our result, the original vector and the resulting vector in ascending order. The next thing which can we alter in this program is that we can change this program for descending order.